Inherited a legacy VC6 project and need to maintain or modernize the code? These files anchor entire Visual C++ 6 applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening Visual C++ 6 project files for development work. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read a VC6 file, even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. A user encountering a .vc6 file is typically a software developer working with legacy code. This file contains project settings, configurations, and references for applications created using Microsoft's Visual C++ 6.0, an older but influential version of their integrated development environment, IDE. The .vc6 file is a text-based file structured similarly to a Makefile or INI file. It uses a proprietary format with sections and key value pairs to define compiler flags, linker settings, source file lists, and dependencies. This human-readable design allowed developers to manually edit project settings if needed. For reliable opening, Visual C++ 6.0 by Microsoft offers the best solution for VC6. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows identifies the script as text, but its functionality depends on a matching runtime. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your VC6 file and select Open With. If Visual C++ 6.0 is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every application. If the VC6 file still will not open, there is no need to stress. The error you're seeing is standard for a VC6 file lacking the right context. Quickly review these key details with me before we move on to the fix. First, opening in Visual Studio 6. Install Visual Studio 6.0 if available from MSDN subscription or legacy installation media. Use File then Open Workspace to load the VC6 project. The IDE loads all source files and project configuration, enabling editing, compilation, and debugging. Visual Studio 6 may require compatibility settings on modern Windows for proper installation. Next, migrating to modern Visual Studio. Use Visual Studio 2022's Upgrade Project feature to convert VC6 projects to modern format. The wizard analyzes the project structure converting to current MS Build format. Manual code adjustment is typically required for compiler differences, API changes, and modern best practices, but the automated conversion provides a reasonable starting point. Finally, reading project structure. Open VC6 files in any text editor like Notepad++ for project analysis without IDE installation. The text format reveals all source file references, compilation settings, and dependencies. This enables impact analysis migration planning, or extracting source files for porting to modern development environments without requiring full Visual Studio 6 functionality. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.